this dashboard, we can keep continuously information flow. And just to explain a bit deeper, here on the top, we have easy accessible links to different subpages. We have here the clear leadership message. It's in this case, it's mine. We want commitment to unstoppable customer satisfaction. And in this dashboard also we have the key initiatives as examples, of course, here, which we want to drive. And I just want to jump into it. So starting from program performance, where we can very easily see our C-level reporting, which is very streamlined, simple to understand, easy to roll out in every organization with all the key factors which you need. On the other hand side, there's another example. You can see here's an initiative to roll out a KPI system. And over here on your fingertip, you have the overview about the planned performance with the relevant KPIs. So that's in this case, in this example, that's a weekly performance dashboard where you can see the targets, the actual deviations, and of course also here's the action tracker built in, very easy to release and to adapt into factories on global base.